What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been doing great. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded, but I am here with some exciting news and a really great video unboxing my latest product for my brand. If you guys are not familiar with what my brand is, the Mantra Co is a wellness lifestyle brand empowering you guys to be your highest selves through intentional living, mindful practices, and soul work. I can't believe I'm actually making this video right now because it's been such a long time coming. I started this project back in December of 2020 and right now it's about like June, July, it's the summer, so it's been quite a while, but this project has really tested my patience and kind of taught me to let go a little bit and kind of trust in other people. This is probably my biggest project that I've invested in, not only monetarily but with my time and energy, and it's something really beautiful that I created. I've actually teased this product a few times on Instagram and DM'd some people that were inquiring, so a few people do know about it, but I've never actually shown the whole thing until today, until this video. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So this is what the product comes in. It's in this recycled material box and it has branding on it. It says the Mantra Co right there. And it opens up like this to unveil the Soulwork Planner. This is my baby. This has been my project, what I've been working on for months. So it's in this beautiful tan vegan leather with some debossed text on the cover here. It says Soulwork Planner Volume 1 and then the Mantra Co right here. And on the side binding to it says the same exact thing. It is a pretty hefty notebook. As you can see, it is pretty thick. But that's because it has a lot of amazing things in it. It is a size B5 and it's a 6-month undated journal and planner. It's an all-in-one balanced mix and it is beautiful. It has this stretchy elastic here to keep everything in place. So let's take that off. So when you open it right up, there is a folder on the left side and then you're already introduced with a beautiful quote. Throughout the whole planner, you're going to be getting a lot of these empowering messages, quotes, mantras, and it's really beautiful. So on the first page here, there is a letter from me that I won't read out loud to you guys, but I'll probably have it in another video. And then you can write your name, email, phone, and then I have a page dedicated to how to use this planner. It's a pretty detailed page that kind of just shows you exactly what this planner encompasses. So there's a monthly calendar that is left undated for you to fill in. We have a page for monthly mantras. So on Instagram, every single month, we have a series of 6 different mantras that we come up with to empower you throughout the month. And I created a designated space for you guys to write that down in your planner. And then I also incorporated a monthly reflection and intentions page throughout this planner because I'm really big on introspection and I know you guys are too. So I really wanted to incorporate something that helps you reflect and set your goals for manifestation. And then of course we have our daily planner. I will go more into detail of everything that is on this page because it is a pretty amazing layout and format. And then I also incorporated a weekly check-in. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram for a while, for about like a year, I've been doing weekly check-ins on Instagram stories that kind of just ask different questions to check in on your mental health and just anything and open up the conversation. And people really enjoyed that, so I wanted to incorporate that in here too. So that's kind of why this is a planner / journal. So as we flip through, this is what the undated monthly planner looks like. And then this is what the monthly mantras and monthly intentions page looks like. So everything is very clean, minimal. Most of the pages have the little grid dot pages there. That's very similar to a bullet journal. The monthly intentions page, I broke it up into different categories. Here at the top, I have I release and I intend. So you can, you know, set your intentions, set your goals for what you intend to do for the next upcoming month. And then over here, we have different categories of self-development, self-care, health and wellness, relationships, work / school, and finances. So it kind of breaks it up into different categories for you to write all your goals. And then down here is some free space as well. So you can, you know, write any additional notes that you want to do. And I kind of just left that space open. And then here we have another amazing quote. This one's actually the Protect Your Aura quote that's on our sweater that we sell. This message is just so important, and I feel like a lot of people resonate with it, and it's empowering, and I love it, so I really wanted to put that in the beginning of the book. And then here is the daily planner. So one of the reasons why this book is pretty big is because of all the little things that are in the daily planner design. So I wanted to have everything like all in one. My intention behind creating this design is because I really wanted something that was all in one, just right on one page. I found myself having a lot of different notebooks that just became really messy, and I wasted a lot of paper. So with this design, it's kind of just all here, all in one place. Up at the top here, I have a mood journal. So it says this morning I woke up feeling, and then some different emotions. If you are feeling a different emotion, I left like an empty space here for you to fill it out. And then here in the top right corner, I have 3 things I am grateful for. Gratitude has been a really big part of, you know, my self-development, my self-growth. I write every single day what I'm grateful for, and that definitely has helped my mood and my mindset, and just being thankful and grateful for everything that I have on a daily, and just to stay present. And so I obviously wanted to incorporate that in this design. So here you can list that. And then I also have a space for mantra of the day. Obviously we are the Mantra Co, so we're all about mantras and setting intentions and empowering. So we have a space here so you could put your 1-liner, 2-liner, whatever intention and, you know, mood that you want to set for the day. And then the bulk of the page is for you to organize all of your different tasks for the day. I split it up into top priorities, and then to do today and to do tomorrow. And by breaking it up like this, it'll help you be more productive throughout the day, because you are splitting it up into different categories. And then here on the right, I have an open notes section for you guys just to like free write any other notes or whatever it may be. And what I really love, at the bottom here, I have a little like wellness checklist. They're just little reminders to help you stay balanced throughout the day. It says don't forget to make time for, and then some of the things are meditation, friendships, hydration, fresh air, family, cleaning, and then I have a space that has others, so you can kind of remind yourself and customize that according to your liking. So the daily planner will go on obviously for 7 days throughout the week. And then at the end of every single week, you have a weekly check-in right here on the left. And then also some reminders to go with it. So every week you're going to have a set of new questions. They're not all going to be the same, but they all kind of have like a different topic. They're intended to help you reflect on yourself, do some introspection. There's a lot of deep questions in here that really push yourself to look inward and kind of have those uncomfortable moments that are necessary for personal growth. And this is a judgment-free zone. This is literally yours and yours only, for you to work on yourself and do some soul work. So this will all repeat for 5 weeks. As you can see here, here's another empowering message. And then when it gets to another month, I will show you. Here we are, the monthly reflection. The layout of this is pretty similar to the monthly intentions. The only differences are obviously the categories. And then here at the top, I have a section that says words that sum up the month. So this area, I really wanted you guys to be able to just, you know, free write feelings, emotions, events, or whatever just comes to your mind when you think of the previous month. The other sections, I broke it up into different categories. So I have accomplishments, big events, most proud of, in progress, challenges, and lessons learned. So prior to actually making the Soulwork Planner, I actually did this reflection in the notes app on my phone every single month to reflect on the previous month and kind of also set my goals for the next one. And these are the exact categories that I would break it up into. And the reason why I love this layout is because when you go back and you look at your reflections for your previous months, you can just see the highlights of it. I love to look back at all of my previous months' reflections just to see like how far I've come. And, you know, it'll allow you to also view any, you know, recurring challenges or, you know, see where you can improve, because it's really great to just have everything written down in an all-in-one like space. What I would do constantly, especially like at the end of the year, I would always look at all of my reflections for the previous year and pull out any like commonalities, just to see like where I can improve for the next year. So with this will help you do that on a monthly basis, which is really nice. And then it'll repeat and start the new monthly calendar. And that's pretty much the layout for this journal and planner. This will go on for 6 months, and then within each month there are 5 weeks of pages and weekly check-ins and daily planners, things like that. And then towards the back here, I want to show you guys. In the back here, I left some pages just blank that have like a grid background for you guys to bullet journal. I know a lot of you guys do that, so I wanted to definitely leave some space for that. And then also, at the very back, I have a mantra database. So this will give you a list of a bunch of different mantras that you can refer back to, you can use for your daily mantras, your monthly mantras, whatever it may be, because I know sometimes it can be hard to just come up with a mantra on your own. I do have a free workshop, if you guys haven't taken that already, on my website on how to build your own mantra. So if you want to take that, you can click the info. I'll leave it all in the description down below. But here in the back, I split it up into different categories just to kind of help you and organize it a little bit better. So I have a list of mindset mantras, gratitude mantras, self-development mantras, self-love mantras, manifestation mantras. This one is going to be probably really popular because I know a lot of you guys are into manifestation and that spirituality. Also, I have abundance mantras, success mantras, spiritual mantras, and relationship mantras. So there's a lot back here and a lot of really powerful affirmations that you guys can choose and look through. And then it closes out with another beautiful quote that says, "You are a beautiful soul blessed with endless potential and are transforming into the radiant being that is your true essence. Shine your light and keep going, keep growing." Some other features of the planner include these 3 ribbons here. They're in 3 different colors, and it'll help you stay organized and keep your tabs on wherever you left off at. And then on the back here, there's another folder that also has a sticker sheet. This is so cute. Look at this. So I designed this sticker sheet with some of my favorite quotes and empowering messages that I kind of thought would be perfect for this planner. Some of them say, "I manifest the things I want." That one is like my #1 mantra. I also have different quotes that say like, "Exhale the bullshit," "Protect your aura," "Good vibes only," "Still growing," and they're just so cute. And they're little stickers that you can just put wherever you want throughout your planner. You know, you can put it in the notes section on your daily planner to kind of help empower you, or wherever you want. And I wanted to create something with some color to bring more life to this planner. Obviously it's not like super bright, but it is very on brand. It's very like muted colors, very pastel, and it just all like goes really well together. So that's included in every single planner. And then for the first few hundred orders, you guys will be getting this beautiful baby blue velvet dust bag that your planner can go into to protect it. It has some branding here at the bottom. It says the Mantra Co. And it's in this beautiful baby blue, mantra blue, that is so cute. So you can literally just put your planner inside of it, because I know a lot of you guys are on the go, and you know, this is so beautiful that you want to protect it. So if you put it in here, it'll look like this. There's like 2 drawstrings here, so you can close it up and then just throw it in your bag. So it looks like this. So cute, so functional. You can even use this dust bag as like a makeup bag, a travel bag, a shoe bag, whatever. I love to reuse all these types of bags for different things. But yeah, so the first few hundred orders will be getting this bag. So definitely get your hands on this planner. Be first in line on the site. But yeah, that concludes the unboxing of the Soulwork Planner. I am so like happy that this is finally here. I've been talking about this with my friends for so long, and You know, I've put so much work into designing every single page for you guys, and I feel like this is really, really going to help a lot of people stay organized, stay, you know, intentional, stay accountable. And it's just something that I created that I have not seen on the market yet. Now, it's a beautiful book. You can even use this as like a coffee table book. I designed it very neutral, very minimal for that reason as well. And you know, this is only volume 1, so if all goes well, I would love to continue to be making you know, a lot of volumes for years to come. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed getting a inside look on the Soulwork Planner. I will leave all the details of the waitlist and the launch of the Soulwork Planner in the description box down below. I hope you guys get your hands on this. This is such a beautiful book. It's so close to my heart. And I'm just really excited for all of you guys to experience this first-handedly and, you know, incorporate this into your mindful routines and just get your feedback on it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned on Instagram at the Mantra Co to follow along with all the different updates and the news and everything like that. And when you do get your hands on this planner, please send me a DM or an email. I would love to hear your feedback. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one.